Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joshua McDonald and today we're going to be checking out the 2024 Toyota Tacoma SR5. Now before we get started with the video, if you guys want a free quote on this vehicle or any new or used vehicle, click the link in the description below to get a free quote today. But without further ado, let's go ahead and check out this truck. So this is the Toyota Tacoma SR5 4x4 double cab. So up front we have our Toyota logo. You have your fog lights right underneath that with your parking sensors, and you have these LED accented headlights. So really good looking front end on the SR5 for this year. Also, moving to the side on the wheels, these are wrapped in Firestone tires. So you can see here we have a kind of basic wheel design on the SR5. These are aluminum wheels, and we just have our basic suspension package. So on the side of this one, we have the running boards that are added on, so you can get in and out of the truck very easily. And moving towards the back, we have a 5-foot bed on this vehicle. So plenty of volume inside of there. Towing capacity on this one is going to be 6,400 to 6,500 pounds. You have your 4-pin and your 6-pin connector as well, right beside that, with your step-ups inside the bed. Backup camera as well, right below this hitch right here where you can lower down your tailgate. So it comes down nice and easy. You kind of have this composite bed material with all of your tie downs, with plenty of cargo volume, as you can see there. But I'll go ahead and lift back up on this. Parking sensors on the back, and on the SR5 it has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, so you're going to have a single exhaust outlet right below that. Also on the driver's side, you're going to have your fuel fill up right here. And moving to the back seats, if we take a look inside, this is finished in the cloth material with all of your black plastic on the doors. You can also lift up on these seats with this hook right here to have more storage underneath. Goes back down the same way, you just push down on it. But I'll go ahead and hop inside and we'll get an idea of the space. So I'm about 6 foot tall on a good day with shoes on. So leg room, it's pretty bad to be honest with you, but the headroom is really good. The driver's seat is sitting where I would usually be sitting at. Only amenities I have back here on the SR5 is a 12-volt charger and 2 cup holders for the back. No storage behind the driver's seat, but we do have storage behind the passenger seat. So not really a big fan of the back row on this Toyota Tacoma, but let's take a look up front. So as you can see on the door, same accents up front, a lot of black plastic going on, but this one has the JBL speakers. Manually adjustable driver's seat, and is finished in that cloth material. All right guys, so in the front seat of the 2024 Toyota Tacoma SR5, we have the steering wheel right here that's wrapped in kind of this synthetic leather. It's got aluminum accents on it. You have your horn and a bunch of buttons on the steering wheel. We have a digital display up front, digital touchscreen over here with our volume adjustment, heated steering wheel, heated seats, all of our AC controls in one place. You can also change your different modes, turn your AC on or off, a bunch of different little tabs down here that are pretty satisfying to click on. There's also a wireless phone charging pad right here, and another phone holder right here for your passenger that doesn't charge, but you know, they're the passenger, so it doesn't matter. Shifter right here, electronic parking brake, you have your auto hold, and this one's the 4-wheel drive, so you have 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. There's also a tow haul mode, extra power button, so you press that and you'll get extra power out of your Tacoma. Bunch of missing buttons right here and a handle to hold on to. There's 2 cup holders, center console right here, and you have your glove box. All right, now that we've seen the inside and outside, here's the window sticker on this vehicle. So as you can see, with all of the options and everything, this one is $48,030. Gas mileage is going to be 19 city, 24 highway, and there's the whole window sticker if you guys want to pause the video and take a look at it. So let's go ahead and get started up front on the Ford F-150 Lightning. We have a lot of unique LED accents up front exclusive to the Lightning trim. There's 2 tow hooks underneath, and you have your parking sensors up front. Now this front trunk will open up with this button underneath. It'll come out power for you. And you have all of this storage inside. A little bit of storage underneath as well. You can use this for a cooler, whatever you want to do. You can also close this back with the same button. But moving around to the side, we have these 275/60 20-inch wheels on it. Really unique design from Ford. This kind of like this grayish color with the Ford logo right in the center. On the other side, this is going to be your charge port, but this is just kind of like a dummy port right here to keep the styling the same on both sides. Running boards along the side, and we have a power driver and passenger seat in this vehicle. Up front on the accents, we kind of have this cloth material up top with your door handles and lock and unlock buttons. Now you have 2 glove boxes in this vehicle, so one below and one above. So plenty of storage space inside of there. But moving to the second row, there's all of your accents inside of there. And if you look towards the middle, you have your AC vents, chargers, everything like that. So really nice seats inside these vehicles. They feel really comfortable. They feel high quality. You can also lift up on them like that to reveal even more storage space. But I'll go ahead and put those back down. And same size tires in the back as we do have up front. On the back of the Lightning, you're going to have your Lightning badging on the back quarter panel, LED tail lights. You have your towing hookups with a 6-pin and 4-pin connector down here. Inside the truck bed, this only comes in one configuration, so it's the crew cab with a 5.5-foot bed. There's a lot of measurement marks along here if you need to cut something real quick with this truck. And if you look inside of there, we have a bunch of chargers as well. So there's 3 different chargers on the side. One right there, one right here, and one right here. So a lot of capability inside this truck bed. It doesn't have a spray and bed liner, but that is not a deal breaker at all. But let's go ahead and hop in the second row. I'll give you an idea of the space. So I'm about 6 foot tall on a good day with shoes on. So plenty of leg room back here. Really good headroom in the back. Very comfortable back here. I really like these cloth seats. They're not bad at all. But let's go ahead and take a look up front. So same exits up front as we have in the back. You have all of your window controls, mirror controls, unlock, lock, with storage in the top, middle, and below here. So full power driver's seat. You'll move forwards, backwards, recline, and you have your lumbar controls. But really good space inside of here as well. It's a push button start vehicle. You have all of your safety functions on the left side of the steering wheel with your cruise control. On the right side, you can control your digital display, and you have this huge touchscreen right here in the middle. You also have your Pro Trailer backup, all of your AC controls with a heated driver and passenger seat with a heated steering wheel. Tons of chargers inside of here. As you can see, you have a 3-prong, 12-volt, and like I said, you have those 2 glove boxes. Shifter right here in the center, so you have park, reverse, neutral, drive, and plenty of storage space as well. So you have a USB-C, USB, tons of storage down here with 2 cup holders. This giant center console, rear view camera, parking sensors, hazards, and your traction control. There's also a sunglasses holder up top with your makeup mirror on the left and passenger side. But really nice seats up front as well. It's the same material up front as it is in the back. You also have your cup holders for the back seats. So tons of storage inside this vehicle, and this also flips up into a little table / work surface as well. But also on this side, you have your charge port. So you can open this up by clicking just like that. It'll open right up for you. It's supposed to charge from 15% to 80% in about 30 to 40 minutes is what Ford says. But we can go ahead and take a look at the window sticker and see how much it costs. So this one specifically is the 2024 Ford F-150 Lightning. Total MSRP on this one comes out to $74,335. So here's the whole window sticker if you want to pause the video and take a look at it. You're supposed to get 320 miles of range, and if you want to charge it with your level 2 charger, it takes about 10.1 hours to fully charge it. All right guys, so we checked out the Ford F-150 Lightning and the brand new 2024 Toyota Tacoma. Let me know in the comments down below, which one do you guys prefer, the full-size electric truck or the brand new body style on the Toyota Tacoma? Like I said before, if you guys want a free quote on either of those vehicles, check out the link in the description to get a free quote today.